The day a phone repair technician quietly told me to cancel my bank cards, change every password, and leave my home immediately, my entire life changed forever. I thought I was simply helping my daughter-in-law by getting her broken phone repaired. Instead, I uncovered a nightmare that nearly cost my husband and me our lives. My name is Linda Carter. I am 65 years old, retired, and living peacefully with my husband, Daniel. We believed we had built a loving family. Our only son, Ethan, had married a successful businesswoman named Olivia, and although she was often distant, we trusted her completely. One afternoon, she rushed to my house asking if I could take her shattered phone to a repair shop because she had an important meeting. Since I knew a reliable technician, I gladly agreed. A few hours later, I returned to collect the phone, but the technician looked terrified. After locking the shop door, he showed me a hidden note inside the phone containing copied conversations between Ethan and Olivia. As I read every message, my hands began shaking. They had created a detailed plan to murder my husband and me, make our deaths look like natural accidents, collect millions in life insurance, sell our home, and disappear with the money. They had even convinced our family doctor that I was developing memory problems so my death would seem believable. I secretly photographed every message before taking the repaired phone home. That evening, I showed everything to Daniel. The heartbreak was unbearable. Our own son had become a stranger, driven by greed. Instead of confronting him, we quietly changed every password, canceled bank cards, blocked his financial access, and discovered thousands of dollars had already disappeared from our accounts. Even worse, someone had forged my signature to purchase a huge life insurance policy naming Ethan as the only beneficiary. The next day, I confronted our longtime doctor, who admitted Ethan had manipulated him into documenting false signs of dementia without properly examining me. Shocked by the evidence, the doctor corrected my medical records and promised to cooperate with authorities. We also hired an experienced attorney who helped protect our finances while preparing a criminal case. That night, Ethan and Olivia came for dinner, pretending everything was normal. They questioned my health, pressured us to sign new legal documents, giving them complete control over our finances, and encouraged us to move into assisted care. We remained calm, secretly recording every conversation while pretending to believe their lies. Soon afterward, Olivia returned alone, carrying more paperwork designed to steal our assets. That visit convinced us they were preparing to act quickly. Following our lawyer advice, we contacted police. Detectives installed hidden cameras throughout our home while we secretly stayed at a hotel, under different names. The following day, Ethan entered our empty house believing we were away shopping. Hidden cameras captured him mixing dangerous substances into our medication, poisoning a bottle of wine, and planting surveillance equipment inside our home. The police watched everything in real time. Minutes later, officers arrested both Ethan and Olivia before they could escape. During questioning, Ethan admitted money had become more important than family. He believed killing us would finally give him the wealthy lifestyle he deserved. Olivia later agreed to testify against him, revealing they had planned every detail together. Medical tests also confirmed I had been slowly poisoned for months, explaining the strange illnesses I had blamed on aging. Although both criminals were convicted, the emotional damage never disappeared. We sold our family home, started over in a smaller apartment, and spent years rebuilding our lives through therapy and support from close friends. Eventually, investigators discovered Olivia had been connected to another suspicious poisoning years earlier, proving she had manipulated Ethan into following a deadly path. Today, my husband and I are still together. The betrayal nearly destroyed us, but it also reminded us that survival is not only about staying alive. It is about refusing to let hatred define the rest of your life. We lost the son we once knew, but we found something equally powerful in return. The courage to begin again, protect one another, and appreciate every new day we are given.